Add small potatoes 800 gram. Washed, add water as required. Salt to taste. On low heat, cover it and pressure cook potatoes for 1 whistle. Then open the lid once pressure released and drain the potatoes. Using a potato masher, smash the potatoes, but keep them in one piece and set aside. Add all-purpose flour 50 gram. Cornflour 50 gram. Salt to taste. Water a half cup. Mix well and set aside. Take each smashed potato. Dip the smashed potato into the slurry, coat it well, shake off any excess. On medium flame, heat the oil, and gently fry the potatoes on both sides. Take them out once they are nice and tender inside, crisp on the outside, and fry rest of the smashed potatoes and set aside. Add mayonnaise a 1/4 cup. Tomato ketchup 3 tablespoons. Red chili powder a half teaspoon. Pepper powder a half teaspoon. Garlic powder a half teaspoon. Oregano a half teaspoon. Salt a half teaspoon. Onion 1 medium, chopped. Few coriander leaves, chopped. Milk a half cup. Mix together until combined and the sauce is ready. Place those fried smashed potatoes in a serving dish. Drizzle potatoes with prepared sauce. Sprinkle chopped coriander leaves over top. Enjoy!